We're still looking at multiplying. Today we're looking at multiplying with what we call the area model. So your essential question is, how do I multiply using the area model? Your learning intention. I'm learning to use the area model to multiply numbers. So pause the video. You have 3 warm-up questions. Can you do those warm-up questions on your own? Please pause the video and work them out. So if you're looking at the first one, hopefully you're just checking your answers, that you've already completed this. We want to put it in columns and keep those columns straight. Okay, I've got the column straight, but I notice I'm missing a number. I put 0 as a placeholder. 0 plus 8 is 8. 5 plus 5 is 10, so I put the 0 down and I carry the 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. Bring your decimal. 3 plus 8 is 11. Write the 1 down and carry a 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 7 is 10. So my answer is 101 and 608 thousandths. When you're looking at the next one, you know that 25 is greater than 17. So we're going to have to flip these around. We're still finding the difference, but we're going to have 25.12 minus 17.94. Now once we get done, what we know, this is a larger number, so the number itself will be a negative number. I cannot take 2 minus 4, so I'm going to borrow 1, and this becomes 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. 0 minus 9 does not work, so I have to borrow 1 from 5. This becomes 4. This now is a 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. Put your decimal. 4 minus 7 does not work, so I now have to borrow 1 from the 2, and this now becomes 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. 1 minus 1 is 0, so it's negative 7 and 18 hundredths. Hopefully you were able to do that without any problem. Okay, multiplication. 4 times 4 is 16, so I'll put the 6 down, but I need to carry that 1. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. Now I know I have to carry again, so I'm going to erase this so I don't get mixed up. I put a 0 down as a placeholder because now I'm actually multiplying by 30. 3 times 4 is 12. Write the 2 down and carry the 1. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So 6 plus 0 is 6, 9 plus 2 is 11. Put the 1 down, carry the 1 here. 1 plus 7 is 8. So 24 multiplied with 34 is 816. Okay, what is the area model? To use the area model, you create a square or rectangle to organize your multiplication. You put one of your two numbers up here and the other down this side. 23 is actually 20 plus 3. 25 is actually 20 plus 5. You are going to multiply. You're going to pretend that you've got a perfectly vertical and a perfectly horizontal line coming together. So 20 times 20 gives me 400. 20 times 3 gives me 60. If you notice, if I went perfectly horizontal and perfectly vertical, this box is where those two numbers would intersect. 20 times 5 is 100. 5 times 3 is 15. Now I add it all up together. 400 plus 200 plus 400 plus 100. Plus 60 plus 15. Okay, 0 plus 5 is 5. 6 plus 1 is 7. 4 plus 1 is 5. So this is 575. Okay, let's try another one together. 43 is 40 plus 3. 32 is 30 plus 2. When I multiply them together, 30 times 40 is 1,200. 30 times 3, 90. Let's go down to our other number. 2 times 40 is 80. 2 times 3 is 6. 1,200 plus 90 plus 80 plus 6. 6. 9 plus 8 is 17. I write the 7 down. I carry that 1 over. 1 plus 2 is 3. And bring the 1 down. So 43 times 32 is 1,376. If you need to, back the video up and watch the first part again. Okay, I'm going to pause here and see if you can set this up correctly. Are you learning what to do? Well, I do hope you tried to do it on your own. 12 is 10 plus 2. 24 is 20 plus 4. 20 times 10, 200. 20 times 2, 40. 10 times 4, 40. 4 times 2, 8. Combine them with addition. 200 plus 40 plus 40 plus 8. 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. And put a 2 there. 288 is the correct answer. Hopefully you did it on your own and were able to be successful. What happens if we've got 3? Well, we just add another column. 212. 200 plus 10 plus 2. 36, 30 plus 6. 200 times 30. Well, 2 times 3 is 6. 1, 2, 3 zeros. 30 times 10. 30, and then add that 0 at the end, that's 300. 30 times 2, 60. I'm done with my first row. Let's drop down to the second number. 6 times 200, 1,200. Because 2 times 6 is 12, there's a 12, and you've got 2 zeros for the end. 6 times 10 is 60. 6 times 2 is 12. Now let's line them up and add them together. 6,000, 1,200, 300, 60, 60, and 12. If you notice, I worked very hard to keep my column straight. This one got off a little bit, but not bad. So 2, then I come down. 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 1 is 13. I've got to carry that 1 over. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7, and I am done. Okay, see if you can set the last one up on your own. Do you know what you're doing? Do we need to practice more? Well, try it and find out. Well, I do hope you try it on your own. Now, what is 323? That's 300 plus 20 plus 3. 24 is 20 plus 4. 300 times 20 is 6. 2 times 3 is 6. 1, 2, 3 zeros. 20 times 20 is 400. 20 times 3 is 60. 4 times 300 is 1,200. 4 times 3 is 12. Add your 2 zeros at the end. 4 times 20 is 80. 4 times 3 is 12. Let's add it all up together. 6,000, 1,200, 400, 80, 60, and 12. When we come down, we have a 2. We've got 8 plus 6 is 14, plus 1 is 15. Put the 5 down and carry that 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. 6 plus 1 is 7. So 323 times 24 is 7,752. How do you know when you're successful? You know you're successful if you can use the area model to multiply. So you are multiplying with the area model.